akhathalwa Phume police station akhathalwa Phuma eklinika akhathalwa 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 Ekusebenzisa ubona umeja akhathalwa Vusi Hennessy akhathalwa Ekusebenzisa ubona iex akhathalwa 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 Ekusema nigga where were you before iKanada Koveza ubuso uthi ujonga kuyakhathalwa na Ojola ingoma thola abantu iphinkathalo wapho Amini iphuzu ushaya intashi lizwe liyaphala la Lesiya umdali wothukile mastermind uguqukile Thina ivili lijikile and abantu bothukile Bethu mthithi bhethekile Khino out ubethekile Ngcwaba ngekho bhekile Wageza speaking isikhala enhloko Hlele ngcocho yini ungafunga ndingiyezekile Yonke iminqweno yeminyaka Shini yenzekile Ntwana sweet bathana bam Ayidingi intshona loswekile Xa ngithatha iphiki ngathi ndiyi-future ngakazile Gqibo phuma ekhaya akhathalwa Phume police station akhathalwa Phuma eklinika akhathalwa 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 Ekusebenzisa ubona umeja akhathalwa Vusi Hennessy akhathalwa Ekusebenzisa ubona iex akhathalwa Akhathalwa akhathalwa
I keep manifesting. Niggas fucking up the game, it's molested. Thinking it's sweet like molasses. It's time to have a lasting, cause the masses is infested with nasty intentions and it's scandalous. I am gonna lead upon the new revolt. You got it twisted, fucking with the goat. You were never told. This is my stronghold. My song is on letting it unfold. The old Jesus come cold. Basizoya umthamo bakhukuza amathambo before kuvula amasango abandivanga ngathi kubukela umuvango ndibazobela umbono bathi ndingu-Van Gogh ngebaleba nayo abamazi ukhakhayo benzokuba kuthandayo kwinqana wezikayo while I'm riding the wave kungekho nto ndithukumisayo give me the attention ngoba inyana ninayo lena italente unozidla uyazidla ngayo
Gqibo phuma ekhaya akhathalwa Phume police station akhathalwa Phuma eklinika akhathalwa 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 Ekusebenzisa ubona umeja akhathalwa Vusi Hennessy akhathalwa Ekusebenzisa ubona iex akhathalwa Akhathalwa akhathalwa